So what are your plans for the future?
We want to take care of all the things that we now have built, and we want to keep them, and they always need care. So, and we've learned a lot by building things and seeing it go to like decompose. Not, I wanted to say go to waste, but it's not really waste because it's natural buildings. But still, like make them durable. Just take care of what we have, and yeah, one big dream is to attract people that want to be inspired or empowered to find a life that's really fulfilling, to do something really that feels good, you know. And mostly that's a thing that never harms anyone else nor the world. So yeah, I hope that's also something people can get from here, and we keep on doing that. Of course, life is not just one thing. You're not just a mom or a builder or whatever. There's lots to life. So, but very happy that we have the opportunity, the way we chose to live, that we have created so much freedom and space to be able to adjust and to find your own way. It's so nice. Very little restriction in that way. Yeah. Although restriction comes from your own mind, they say. So maybe that's a compliment to yourself too. Let's just give yourself a compliment. Why not? Yeah, if you stay open-minded, you can. I feel like after going through a bit of a difficult period, that we get out of it, and again I feel like, yeah, we have a good life.
Yeah, you do for sure. You do it. Yeah, like I said, you did very good, and I'm really, really proud of you.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah. Yeah, that's very nice to hear of a friend to say. That means a lot.
Yeah, when I remember when the first time I came here, I felt this intense power. It's like, wow, we're doing something, we're building. Yeah, and I was really, really curious, to come here to see what's going on, because I just saw the changes what were going on from video from this Robin.
Yeah.
And I thought, wow, it's really awesome what they're doing.